we defined what we call virtual tenants
Mhm.
and license pools. And so by doing the virtual tenants, we scope down what the agency is able to see. And then we scope down for the licenses that they're able to see. And depending on the staff's role, depends on what they're even able to see within CoreView. Because the CoreView, one of the benefits that we like about it as you're building that user experience, that administrator experience, you're able to tune not only what they're able to manage, but what they're even able to see. So that was very important. So some staff, you want them to be able to see how much mail a user's sending, different delegation on their accounts. You imagine all the different technical aspects, but not all people should be able to see that information. And so we
Absolutely.
scope down the roles to exactly what it was they're trying to accomplish. And the best thing about that too is it's less for them to see on the screen to get confused on where to drive. Give them just the information they need to see to do their jobs.